for planing timber, we have to consider how we're going to hold it, and each size of timber is going to be different, have different issues. If we were to be trying to plane this thin but long piece of timber, if we used a pair of bench dogs and used them possibly in a end or tail vise, if we then try to cramp on the end of it, what would happen as we cramped on the end, the actual timber would bow up, and that would be difficult to plane. So that's not going to work in this particular circumstance. What I would suggest is that we drill and countersink a hole, and we screw that down, and then whenever we're planing it, we're always keeping it in tension. I wouldn't want to put a screw into my bench top, so what I could do is actually put my bench dogs in the hole and put my screw down into that one. If you haven't got bench dog holes, just put a bit of spare timber in your vise, and then your screw could go into the spare timber, and then you should be able to plane that quite happily, always keeping this flat.